Gold daily chart, you have flag pattern, then it break out, a horizontal flag pattern, it break out again. Now you have again a flag pattern. Question is, it will break out same like last time, or gold has begun its long sideways correction. But for intraday trader, you have crystal clear static resistance 2372 on daily chart and psychological every time about 2400 you have seen rejection. So it is doing again buying pressure below 2300, selling pressure about 2400, your sideways range. If you want more clarity, then this time on H4 chart you have everything top to bottom, your complete wave counting, WXY wave, then next impulsive wave AVC from low of wave Y, and this top to bottom 61% retracement complete, and you have seen rejection on Friday and projection for AVC wave exactly 38%. So near this 2372 level you can see price is showing rejection, plus you have trend line retest. So you have multiple resistance level and price showing rejection. If it stays down from this level for intraday, then next level near 2330 will be first big support level, because same like this top you can see double bottom, then neckline breakout, then again can be retest. So you can say below 2380 gold price bearish, above 2330 gold price bullish. Until these two level breakout there will be no trend. After breakout you can say bullish or bearish and new low or high of the range. But this is your first complete wave cycle from top to bottom. So you have a small range, wait for clear breakout this week. So bulls will wait for neckline retest after double bottom. Seller must be selling trendline retest, fib projection and fib retracement. So this was your intraday H4 time frame wave counting and your daily time frame wave counting. There is no fixed rule how much price retraced 2353 dash mean 50% or 2372 61, but you have sideways correction, and if range breakout support 2200 for upside breakout, it is all about election, and most of the thing which can happen before and after election, everything is priced in. Even if Trump come and start his trade war again, all of those things are priced in. But main thing for Biden election, economic boom before election, that is already happening, and question is this thing will continue till election or this thing already ended on their Good Friday speech, because your rate cut is already priced in and your QT tapering announcement in last FOMC speech, that is also priced in. What FOMC member said, next step QE. Now there is no benefit of doing QE before election. Now it is too late and their voter will not feel the effect of QE. These two blue candlestick last week, China president, you can see meeting in France, and their gold buying is slowing for last 2 months. If that new trade war with Europe and China is real, then 2400 did not break out last week. If you see, first it made low after NFP number, then last two blue candlestick after jobs claim. Recession is inevitable, it will happen one day. You cannot forever ignore. But question is still same. Recession have already begun on their Good Friday speech, or they will delay recession again until election. Because last week you saw new tariff announcement from Biden, but most of the thing is already priced in. And for this range breakout, You need big change from Biden policy before election or some kind of new war. But before that, wait for clear breakout of 2400, then you can easily buy retest of the range, because still you can see price trading below 38% projection. If range breakout to downside, that's mean below 2200, or range upside breakout above 2400, that's mean retest of 68% projection. Before that, they will delay recession till November election, or recession already begin. There is a new documentary Finding the Money, and trailer is now viral because Biden economic advisor is saying something which is bad for US economy, and you have already seen lots of news about tax. If this thing continue, more debt spending, then this range can break out, or if things change after election, then range may not break out. But by the time you know what will be their fiscal policy in 2025, it will be too late. Gold will be trading below 2200 or above 2400. For beginner intraday trader, you have clear technical setup on H4. For bulls, wait for breakout of 2380, and for bear, wait for breakout of 2330. And after that, you have daily time frame, sideway range, support and resistance. After two red candlestick on weekly chart, the blue candlestick last week, sentiment again changing and bulls are happy. But everything depends on 2380 H4 resistance level. Monthly chart, this last range breakout, if you can see carefully during Trump trade war, after range breakout it was sideways. Question is, same thing will repeat again after triple top breakout, sideway correction which is already happening on daily chart, or this level will retest. But everything depends on election policy. And more clear, the last FOMC Fed said they see no stagflation. Every week, each economic indicator say only one thing: stagflation. For this thing to confirm, you need low growth, high unemployment rate, 4%, or high inflation rate. They will always focus on core PCE, and this week you have PPI and CPI, two inflation indicator. FOMC member speech. So last week they did not say anything important. So this week big economic indicator and FOMC member speech can create big price action. But again, sideway correction like last time, or zigzag correction. You have to watch carefully breakout of 2380 or 2030 support level. Until this level breakout, there is no trend. Despite those bad fiscal policy, US dollar is still strong and many Asian currencies are collapsing except gold. If those bad fiscal policy continue after election, then price will stay above range, sideway correction, then upside breakout, same to same like last time. If things change, then first you have sideway correction which can turn into counter trend correction. You can see last time it all the SL of 61% retracement seller, then it came down because there is no fixed rule where it can change direction at 50 or 78% retracement. But these two level, 2380, 2330 and CPI news, these three are most important this week. Seller are safe below trend line, more confirmation after support breakout. Bulls have to wait for one more breakout, then on retest they can buy trend line. And you have to trade like a sideway range, upper resistance 2400 and lower 2300, and this range may not break out before next FOMC meeting.